In today's video, we're going to fix the Trello 403 error step by step. If you're seeing a 403 forbidden message in Trello, it basically means the server understands your request, but it's refusing to authorize it. This can happen because of permission issues, browser problems, API restrictions, board limits, or even network blocks. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through every common cause and how to fix it. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software troubleshooting guides. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the most common reason: insufficient permissions. If you're trying to open a board, edit a card, access a workspace, or perform an action you don't have rights to, Trello will return a 403 error. This usually happens when you're not added to the board, you have read-only access, or your role doesn't allow certain actions. To fix this, check whether you're logged into the correct account. Then contact the board administrator and ask them to verify your role. They may need to upgrade you to a normal member or admin, or resend you an invitation link. Once your permissions are corrected, refresh the page and the error should be gone. Next up is browser cache and cookies. Sometimes the issue isn't your permissions at all, it's outdated or corrupted data stored in your browser. This can interfere with authentication and cause Trello to deny access. To fix this, go into your browser settings and clear cache and cookies specifically for Trello.com and atlassian.com. After clearing them, close your browser completely and reopen it, then sign back into Trello. If you don't want to clear everything, you can quickly test this by opening Trello in incognito or private mode. If it works there, you know the issue is browser data related. Now let's talk about API-related 403 errors. If you're using third-party tools like PyTrello, N8N, Zapier, or custom scripts connected to Trello, there was an important API change. As of March 12, 2024, Trello no longer allows GET requests that include a request body or payload. If your automation or script is sending a GET request with data in the body, Trello will block it with a 403 error. The fix here is to update your integration so that all GET requests are sent without a body. Parameters should be passed in the query string instead. If you're using a third-party app, check for updates or contact the developer to make sure it complies with the new API rules. Another lesser-known cause is the too many checklists limit. Trello boards have a limit of 5,000 checklists. If your board exceeds this limit, Trello may return a specific 403 error. This often happens on very old or heavily used boards. To fix it, start by deleting archived cards that contain checklists. Archived cards still count toward the checklist limit. You may also need to reduce the number of active checklists across the board. Once you bring the total below the limit, the error should resolve. In some cases, your IP address might be blocked or flagged by security services such as CloudFront. If Trello suspects unusual traffic or rate limit abuse, it can temporarily block requests from your network. To test this, try switching to a different internet connection, like mobile data or another Wi-Fi network. You can also try using a VPN to see if the issue disappears. If it does, then the problem is likely IP-related. Now let's talk about app-specific issues. If you only see the 403 error in the Trello desktop app but not in your browser, open the desktop app, go to the Help menu, and choose the option to reset local data. This clears stored app data and often resolves authorization issues. Log back in afterward and check again. Finally, consider power-ups in browser extensions. Some third-party tools like Trello Export or other automation extensions may hit API rate limits or use outdated code that triggers 403 errors. Disable your extensions one by one and refresh Trello to identify the culprit. If a power-up is causing the issue, try removing and re-adding it or check for updates from the developer. So to quickly recap, check your permissions, clear your browser cache, update any API integrations, reduce checklist counts if necessary, test a different network, reset the desktop app if needed, and disable problematic extensions. One of these solutions will almost always fix the Trello 403 error. I hope this guide helped you get back into your Trello boards without frustration. If it did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.